In this video, I want to cover top online tutorials and courses for beginners in the stock markets. So here are curated lists of online courses and tutorials specifically designed for beginners who want to learn about stock investing. And the first category here is beginner-friendly courses. Beginner-friendly courses. Number one is Coursera. Coursera, the course here is an introduction to financial markets by Yale University. This particular course is taught by Nobel laureate Robert Shiller. This course covers the basics of financial markets, including stocks, bonds, and derivatives. It's ideal for beginners seeking a comprehensive overview of the financial markets. Number two is Udemy. Udemy, stock market for beginners, learn to trade from scratch. That is the topic of this particular course. This course provides a step-by-step guide to understanding the stock market, including how to buy and sell stocks, read financial news, and make informed investment decisions. Is perfect for complete beginners. Number three is Khan Academy, Finance and Capital Markets. It's a free resource covering fundamental topics like stocks, like bonds, and not only that, it equally covers financial statements. The content is presented in an easy to understand video and articles. It's suitable for those who prefer self-paced learning. Number four is Skillshare, Stock Market Investing for Beginners by Jerry Liu. It focuses on the essentials of stock market investing, including how to research and choose stocks and the importance of diversification. It is great for beginners looking for a quick practical introduction. Number five is edX, Introduction to Investments by University of Michigan. This course offers a beginner-friendly introduction to the principles of investing, including risk management, portfolio diversification, and stock valuation. It is suitable for those new to investing who want to build a strong foundation. Not only that, the next category is interactive tutorials and learning platforms. Interactive tutorials and learning platforms. It comprises number 6, TD Ameritrade Investing Basics. It offers a series of free on-demand videos and tutorials covering the fundamentals of stock investing, including how to open a brokerage account and place trades. It's ideal for beginners who want to start investing with a solid understanding of the basics. Number 7 is Investopedia Academy, Investing for Beginners, a course designed to demystify the stock markets, covering essential concepts like stock picking, risk management, as well as portfolio construction. This course is perfect for those who want a structured step-by-step approach to learning about investing. Number 8, Morningstar Investing Classroom. It provides free self-paced lessons on a variety of investing topics, from understanding stocks to building a diversified portfolio. It is suitable for all levels, especially beginners looking to build their investment knowledge. Number 9 is Robinhood Learn, Stock Market Basics. It offers short, easy to understand articles and videos on stock market fundamentals, including how to buy and sell stocks and the importance of diversification. It is great for beginners who prefer bit-sized learning. Number 10, FutureLearn, Introduction to Stock Markets by the Open University. It covers the basics of how stock market operates, what influences stock prices, and how to start investing. It's ideal for beginners seeking a structured university quality course. The next category is foundational knowledge. So under foundational knowledge, you have number 11, Zach's investment research, stock investing for dummies. This course breaks down stock investing into simple, easy to understand steps, making it accessible for beginners. It is perfect for those who want a straightforward, no nonsense introduction. Number 12, Bloomberg Market Concepts, an interactive e-learning course providing an introduction to financial markets, including the stock market. It is suitable for beginners interested in understanding market concepts with a professional focus. Number 13, All I Invest, Investing 101, a beginner's guide to understanding how the stock market works, how to start investing, and the basics of building a portfolio. Is ideal for those who are completely new to investing. Number 14, stock market basics for beginners. Stock market basics for beginners. It offers easy to understand tutorials on the basics of stock investing, including how to start with small amount of money. It is great for beginners looking to dip their toes into the stock market. Number 15, Investors Underground Beginners Trading Course. While more focus on trading, this course covers the basics of stock market investing, including key concepts and strategies. It is suitable for beginners interested in both investing and trading. Then the last category here is mobile and app-based learning. Mobile and app-based learning. And we have under it number 16, Start Learn Investing Basics, a mobile app that offers simple, digestible lessons on stock market investing tailored to beginners. It is perfect for those who prefer learning on the go. Number 7 is Acorns, Grow Your Knowledge. It provides educational content on investing, saving, and financial wellness with a focus on helping beginners start small. Ideal for beginners who want to start investing with micro investing platforms. Number 18 is E-Trade, Getting Started with Investing, a series of educational resources designed to help beginners understand the basics of investing and how to get started with stocks. It is suitable for those who want to learn from a well-established brokerage. Number 19, Betterment, Investing for Beginners. It offers additional content. It offers educational content on the fundamentals of investing, including how to set financial goals and start building a portfolio. It is great for beginners who want to learn about investing with a focus on automated robo-advisor platforms. And then lastly, number 20, Testy Trade, Stock Market Basics. Provides free educational videos on the basics of the stock market, including how to read stock quotes, understand market trends, and make informed decisions. It's ideal for beginners who prefer learning through videos. These courses and tutorials are designed to help beginners build a strong foundation on stock investing, making it easier to navigate the complexities of the markets and start investing with confidence.